Hey there, this is tech lifestyle expert Carly Novak. This is a very busy time of year for families, but I've got some tech that can help. I love this to help students. I mean, there were times when my kids needed homework help and it was so complicated, especially calculus. IXL is a learning website that helps kids from preschool to high school learn math, thank goodness, language arts, science, and social studies. It's got tons of interactive problems, videos, lessons, and games that can help them practice what they're learning in school, get help with tricky concepts, and gain the confidence to learn new topics on their own. I might even do a little calculus brush up myself. To find out more about the IXL learning website, visit IXL.com. And to find everything I covered today, including links, just visit inthenews.tv or find us on Instagram at inthenewstv.